And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer BNB in another one Binance coin from your Metamask wallet into your Binance account. So if you guys do not know what Metamask is a place where you guys can store your crypto. It's basically like a crypto wallet app. If you guys know Trust Wallet, basically Metamask is similar to that, alright? So let me tell you guys how you guys can transfer your BNB from Metamask to Binance. But first step is you want to open your Metamask account like this. After opening it, you want to click on BNB over here, which is a Binance coin, and it's showing me 0, but if you guys have stored, BNB coin in it, it's going to show you the amount of BNB which is stored in your account. So you want to click on it. Once you click on it, you want to go on where it says send because you want to send it. Now over here, I'm using Ethereum network. You can use whichever network you want by clicking on this, alright? I don't want to change my network, so I'm going to keep it Ethereum network. So if you want to, transfer BNB coin, then basically you need to go to your Binance to get the wallet address. How you guys can do that is you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance. Once you're over here, you want to log in into your account. After logging into your account, you want to click on wallet and you want to go on overview. Once you go on overview, basically you want to go on where it says deposit. Once you go on deposit, you want to click on where it says crypto deposit. Once you click on crypto deposit, basically it's going to take you to the crypto deposit section. Now once you're over here, you want to choose the coin which you want to transfer. Since I want to transfer BNB, I want to click on BNB over here. After clicking on BNB, my BNB wallet is going to be opened over here. So basically it's asking me to choose a network. So I'm going to choose Ethereum network because I'm going to be transferring through Ethereum network over here. After choosing the Ethereum network, as you guys can see, it's giving me the wallet address. I can copy the wallet address. After copying the wallet address, I want to paste the wallet address over here. As you guys can see, I do not have Ethereum because it's going to take some amount of Ethereum because I'm transferring it through Ethereum network, alright? Since I don't have any Ethereum and I don't have any BNB coin, it's not allowing me to go to the next page. But if you guys have enough BNB and Ethereum, then basically you want to click on next. And the reason you want some Ethereum is because you are using Ethereum network, so it's going to charge you a bit of Ethereum as a fee for using its network to transfer, alright? So basically you want to click on next. After clicking on next, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 4 BNB. I can click on next. After doing that, I don't have enough BNB. That's why it's showing insufficient funds. But if I did have enough BNB, once I click on next, it's going to be transferred to my Binance wallet. Once it's transferred to my Binance wallet, I can do whatever I want in Binance. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it.